So today we're going to use rigid tape to tape up a knee. So this is the McConnell taping technique, and the philosophy is pretty much usually there is a lateral tracking of the kneecap, so it comes out this way. So this tape is just to help to prevent it from gliding laterally. It's just holding like my thumbs are doing here. Okay, so with your rigid tape, you're just going to grab a strip. I like to put a strip down first just to have something to grab onto that tape, just like that. Okay. So the first tape is going to start on the outside, and all you're going to do is slightly glide the kneecap immediately and just tape it down like that. To know if the tape's worked well, there should be some creases through that area. So that's usually the tape. I've done a modification where I like to kind of lift the kneecap up a little bit just to prevent any kind of runner's knee or any kind of fat pad impingement here. So with this one, I start below the knee. I kind of pull and glide up and then finish up here, just like that. So nice and easy tape, works with a lot of people with knee pain, especially if they're having like some sort of tracking issue or some ITB issues there. Also if you're getting any fat pad impingement.